What's up guys, welcome to �W𝐚𝐤𝐞 review channel, and today video I'm going to share with you the best paid traffic for CPA offers that you can make money in CPA marketing for beginner tutorial actually. So you can make money with this method and this strategy, which you can promote your offers and ClickBank, and also in CPA marketing. For example, you can promote with CPAGrip or CPALead that you want, for example. So if you are promoting the the affiliate marketing products, then you need to sign up and register with the clickbank.com and log into your account and grab your products from here, and you can start promoting with this method right here. But if you are promoting the CPA offers, then you have to go to the CPAGrip or CPALead.com and sign up for a pre-account right here. Once you sign up for a pre-account right here on CPALead, for example, or CPAGrip.com, then you can simply log into your account right here. Once you log into your account, for example, I'm using the CPALead, so you need to have this. Once you log in, you will have different offers available right here that you can simply choose any offer you want. For example, you can simply choose and then you can start promoting your offers. If you are promoting from the CPAGrip.com, then you have to log into your account, and you can definitely see a lot of offers right here, for example, that you can simply see here from different countries and different locations right here, and different offers, for example, with different payment options that you will have. For example, as you can simply see here, this is the one offer actually that you can promote, and they will require the traffic for Australia, and that will need the traffic for Germany. For example, this will have the Australia, and this one will have, for example, the France, and this is the United Kingdom at the right here. Okay, so these are the different offers with different location. The only requirement that you need to just first think that what types of offer I'm promoting. Once you just decide, for example, that you are promoting and make money online niche, for example, or cryptocurrency, or you're promoting a product offer, for example, Apple Watch or something like that, so then you need to choose the offer right here. The next thing is that you need to decide which country you need to target to have the right audience for you to promote exactly what they want, for example, and how you can make money with that right here. So basically, for example, this is the offer, for example, for the country of Belgium, and you will have $7.70 per promotion right here. So what you need to do, you can simply just click on this offer, grab your link from here, and then add it to a free landing page right there. Once you add it into a free landing page, something like a link tree, then you can copy that link. So once you copy the link from here, then you need to promote your offer. So basically, we will show you the paid method with this tutorial. But if you want to have other free methods, you can, that will be available in our channel right here. You can simply go to our channel, and you can see here, you will see there different ideas and different methods and strategies for making money online, getting passive income, and working from home for absolutely free, and you can start promoting. But paid method will be a little bit quick method that you can easily make money online with that by promoting right here, and you need to invest a little bit amount of your money and to promote your offers right here. So basically, we will show you the paid method and the strategy right here. So once you just grab your link and you embed it into the free landing page, the next step is that you can copy the link tree page from there, and then you need to go to the website like BuySellAds.com. Okay, BuySellAds.com. This is the main URL of the website and the main address of the website. You just need to go to Google and just type, and you will be redirected to this page right here. Once you come to this page right here, the first step is that you need to click on the get in touch, okay, or get started, for example. Once you just register for absolutely free with this website, then you need to log into your account and make sure that you activated your link or your account right here by just going to your inbox, and you will have a free activation email. You need to click on that, and then once you register and verify, then you need to you will have this page right here, and you will have to come to this website and you can log in. So you just need to create a campaigns on this will be one step, or another step is that you can simply just create a banners once you create a banner, for example, and it is and making money online, for example, if you are promoting something like this offer, the crypto.com Acquista Bitcoin, okay, or the crypto.com buy Bitcoin now, which is an app actually that you can simply promote. This is for Android and this is for iOS, so that you can simply promote. If you are promoting these types of offers right here, then you just need to create a banners, and you need to show in the banners, for example, something like cryptocurrency and make money online or something like that. So once you show them, and then you can add your link into that, for example, means you can also put the link that this is my affiliate link or CPA link, and then you can simply send to this website. Once you send to this website right here, then they will promote themselves, for example, and other popular website in the world, for example, like bbc.com, cnn.com, msn.com, for example, and New York Times, for example. So the more powerful website your ads will be available, and that will be shown. Basically, it's a really powerful website that you can simply create a free account in that, and the world most popular companies also working with them, and that is working in this niche, like developer with this website, crypto enthusiast with this website, technology with this website, for example, women's lifestyle with this website. So these, they have different niche and category that you can simply promote your offers and to the right audience for you right here. So the only requirement is that you need to grab your CPA link or affiliate link, and then you can send them to your banner and your link, and then you can start making money from online from this website. This is the exact method that I copied, so you can do the same thing and you can make money from that. If you want to have a full training step by step, then check out the first link in the description of this video, and you will be redirected to a full training from A to Z, that how you can make money online step by step. Check out the first link in the description. So if you like it, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you'll be notified of that.